Good day, everyone. It is Sunday Fun Day, February 22nd. Em is here.
Hi.
It is day 99 of 100 daily vlogs. We are heading to get some coffee real quick, and then we're gonna go up to Ybor and see what we can get up to. I'm Lee. Welcome to my somewhat rainy, cloudy, overcast, should get nicer later day. All right, we made it up to Ybor. We had our coffee. We're gonna go find something to do. There is a tattoo convention going on, the Cigar City convention. I do tattoos for a living, so I don't really want to stop in there, but we'll kind of see if it looks cool. We're gonna walk by it. If it looks cool, we might go in. If it doesn't look cool, we'll find something else to do, right? So the good thing with Cigar City Tattoo Fest is outside of it, they have the punk rock little flea market that they got going on, or some vendors out there, and you don't have to pay to get into that part. So we just went and kind of walked around those. Again, I didn't want to do the actual tattoo convention part of it because that's a regular part of my life. I don't feel like I need to do that on my days off. What do you think of it, Em?
It was nice.
It was nice. There was maybe 20 vendors out there. It wasn't super busy, maybe a little more than that, but we just walked around it real quick, and now we're gonna go get a
Kava.
At SpookEasy.
Yeah.
All right, we waited in line at SpookEasy for like 15 minutes and didn't get helped. The bartender, kava tender there was super slow. So instead, where are we going? We're going to Hot Wax, which is cheaper and it's a cool place. So we don't want to just hang out waiting in line for half an hour. All right, we got our little kavas to go. We're gonna hop on the trolley and go to Armature Works, which means we're gonna take the trolley to downtown, and then it actually ends in the middle of downtown, and then we have to walk all the rest of the way to Armature Works. So we get our steps in, and then we're gonna have dinner up there, and then we get a walk back. All right. We're out here waiting for the trolley, and it has warmed up to a nice 71 degrees. It was feeling a little cold earlier when it was rainy and windy. Em wore shorts, so it was getting a little too cold for her, but now I didn't wear a hoodie. I was a little cold earlier, now I'm just in a t-shirt and I'm feeling good to go. How are you feeling out here? Not too warm in your little jacket? Mm-mm. She's not too warm in her little jacket. Okay. You were. Hi. All right, we had some muchachas for dinner. Em, how was it?
Delicious.
It was really good. It was kind of like Chipotle, I guess, but I don't know if they're a local chain or what exactly. The problem with it is most places in Armature Works don't take cash payments, which I get very frustrated with because that's the most basic form of currency for Americans. Anyway, for us to get a burrito bowl, a burrito, some chips and salsa, which should be included with burritos, I feel like, but we got a side of chips and salsa, and Em wanted a street corn that was also very good. I had some of it too. The total came to $56. Oh, she got a Coke Zero, I got a water as well. 56 bucks for Chipotle style Mexican food. Little expensive. I get that things are expensive right now, but man, that burns a little bit. And then to not take cash payments on top of that, it's like, ugh, yeah. Anyway, it was good though. And I will fully admit that it makes me sound like an old man being like, oh yeah, back in my day, burritos were like $6, because not too long ago, yeah, you could go get a big burrito for like $6, $9. Now the basic price was $15 for that big burrito, $15 for her burrito bowl, but then they upcharge for everything. You want queso, that's another $3. You want a scoop of guac, that's another $3, which we both got guacamole as well. So kind of stings a little bit, but I guess that's just prices nowadays. Lesson is cook at home. We only really eat out on a regular week that we're not on vacation once a week. We get one cheat day, and that is our time to eat out.
I do twice a week.
She cheats all the time.
No, I don't.
But yeah, she gets 2 a week. She's also got a daughter though that she likes to take out.
I do.
So she's a good mom. And we are walking now to make up for all the dinner we just ate. We're walking from Armature Works to Sparkman Wharf. I'm not sure exactly how long it is. Maybe I'll look that up and add it in my video. Yeah. All right, so here's a little map of what we've been doing. Up here is where Armature Works is, where we just had dinner. And then you go all the way down what we're walking along, and we're somewhere right around in here now. And then all the way over here is Sparkman Wharf, where all the cruise ships come up. And then we also took the trolley from up here in Ybor, it doesn't even show it, all the way through to downtown where we got off, and then we had to walk that up to Armature Works, and now we're walking it all back. So hopefully that makes a little sense to everyone. We made it to Sparkman Wharf. Em is on the hunt for a little sweet treat. Guess who's not having one today? Me. No more sweet treats. I'm trying my best. She can enjoy her little sweet treat. I'm way too fat to enjoy it. She's in good shape. And then what we got? All right, we just want to show everyone, Em did not eat. She didn't eat both those donuts. She did very well restraining herself. Also, I didn't have a single bite. We caught our last little trolley into Ybor. Now we gotta walk to the parking garage, and then we've got a quick 45-minute drive down the freeway back to Bradenton. Then we're gonna take Murdoch out and I'll do my little outro. We made it back to downtown Bradenton. We got Murdoch out here. He's doing his little evening stroll. It got windy and it got cold quick. It's down to 60 degrees, which after yesterday it was like 85 was the high. This feels icy cold, so we both got hoodies on and put some pants on. All right, it looks like today We got 20,239 steps in. That burns off a little bit of the food that we ate. Makes me feel a little better about having my cheat meal. I'm at the end of video 99 of 100 daily vlogs. I'm just about to be done. Join me tomorrow for my little outro of daily vlogs. I might try to get out to Robinson Preserve. I'm going to talk about all the things daily vlogging has done to me. Overall vibe of the day. Today was a very good day. The weather cleared up for us. We did all kinds of stuff. We rode the trolley. We went to Ybor. We got to go to the little tattoo festival. Even though we didn't watch any tattooing, I didn't want to anyway. We had a little kava.
To Armature Works.
We went to Armature Works. We ate some burritos and burrito bowl. Better choice if you ask me. We did a bunch of walking on the Riverwalk, and we went to Sparkman Wharf, and Em got some delicious donuts. So it was a good day. Em, your overall vibe of the day.
It was a good day.
Final word from Em, it was a good day. And that's all I got for you until my last daily vlog tomorrow.
Have a good one.